motorcycle rock show.
This is QJ motor SRT 550 and I try to do it a little bit fast because there is many mosquitoes here and they bite us. Georgia is doing like this back of the camera now and it's very funny, and also I have to be steady, but even for me the mosquitoes are killing machines. They suck my blood. So anyway, we know this bike for years, almost this bike, because it's exactly the same bike with a Benelli TRK, because QJ Motor is the owner of Benelli. Otherwise, this is a brand new bike, a trustful, cheap choice for everything. It's a bike for somebody who wants one bike for everything. To moving inside the city, to moving outside in the countryside, to do maybe a small trip and things like this. One for all. So, let's see this bike in details. Okay, let's see what we got in this motorcycle. We have too many things. We got protection for our bike here. We got protection for the exhaust. We got protection for the engine. We got this amazing, we got a basic for a double stand. We got a ready position for the side suitcase. We got position for the top box. We got protection for our hands. We got heated grips, we got heated saddle, we got nice windscreen, we got plug here, and anyway we got a bike that is very well equipped. Okay, let's going now up to the bike. How I feel? I feel very comfortable. It's a very comfortable bike. I have a nice feeling when I ride it. I have a good view back. I'm well protected from the weather. I have a nice rubber on my footrest. The same also for Georgia. Georgia, please come. Okay. We got a few bliblica by the one side, and we got a central TFT screen, a blue one, that has got a central RPM counter. It's got a gear in the box, it's got a kilometer counter digital, it's got clock, and it's got a trip 1, trip 2 and total. We got by the left side gasoline counter, and by the right side we got a thermocracy. It's just a simple thing, a very simple thing. That's it. So now let's see with Georgia. Georgia.
Well, this is a lovely thick seat, large enough with nice handles. rubber on my feet. Okay, very nice.
You can go far away on this
Yes.
bike.
Yes.
You can do 500 kilometers on this saddle.
Yes, I think so.
1,000.
I don't know, maybe.
So this is a nice and comfortable bike for 1 or 2 persons. That's it. Thank you, Georgia.
You're welcome.
Okay, I feel comfortable. I have a good view back, I'm well protected, and the sound of the engine is nice. Okay, the gearbox is not the best possible. We are starting and we are moving. We change direction immediately and very fast, no problem for that. And the brakes are good enough, yeah. We are moving and the power, it's okay for this bike. Okay. First of all, I have to tell you that we didn't press this bike at all. We didn't press it because it's got 0 kilometers. We take it with 0 kilometers and we don't want to destroy it. We are a little bit gently. But anyway, we know this engine many years. What about it? It's a twin 4-stroke liquid-cooled engine with double overhead camshaft and with 4 valves per cylinder. It's 554 cubics and it gives us 47.6 horses at 7,500 RPM and 51 Nm at 5,500 RPM. It needs 4.3 liters gasoline per 100 kilometers by the book. It's got 6 speed and is all the bike with all the liquids is 235 kilos. I think that this is not the kind of the engine that you can put some fire in the streets. It's a low profile engine, so the performance is not so, powerful. And why is that? Because it's a heavy bike, not because the engine is not good enough, because the bike is heavy. But anyway, it's a bike that got the engine that is enough for the purpose of this motorcycle. You feel comfortable on it, you have power than you needed, and you can move easily with 1 or 2 persons inside the city or long outside of it. So we are very positive. Still I'm fighting with the mosquitoes, but at the same time I can tell you that I like what I see everything. We have a nice headlight, we got a nice windscreen, all those things are so nice. I have a good fork, a really good fork, fat enough, good fork. The radiator is protected, so this is very nice. I see the 2 exhausts that they are inox made, looks very good. And we got those discs here that they are 4 piston caliber from each side, unknown brand brakes, but the point is that they are powerful brakes and the bike is braking good enough. Also, the ABS of this bike is not the best possible, but is not the worst either. So, when you ride this bike, you feel safe inside the city and outside of it. Quality, what we got? We got a nice color, blue, with perla on it. The plastics are a little bit hard, the paint, but the black plastics are soft and looks very good. Of course, they don't fit super. Also, those are not aluminiums, are plastics. Okay, the welds on the frame looks very good and the saddles looks very good also. The things that they don't look so good to me are, let's say, the buttons. They looks a little bit cheap. I consider that this motorcycle is much better than the TRK than we ride it years before. Everything is better on it. And there is also details that I like it very well. The welds also on the frame, it's nice. The fender front is nice and very flexible. there is too many good things, but still the quality of the product, kill it. The quality of the product still is not a perfect one, but it's a good one. It's okay. Dirt paths. What about dirt paths? For sure this bike is not for dirt paths because it's got aluminum wheels, but for sure it's not a problem for this bike, as for everything it's got two wheels, to passing from dirt paths. The problem for us that we didn't pass any dirt path today is that Adonis tell it to me very clear. You take it new, 0 kilometers. I don't want to see any dirt on the bike. So that's why. I am sure that if I will pass him from the dirt and wash it after, he will understand it. C'est la vie. Finally, what I believe for this motorcycle, for the money that is cost, it's super. For the money that is cost, it's super. Gives a lot to the rider. Luxury things like a heated grip, heated saddle, protection for the bike, everything is super. Is cornering very nice, is braking very well. The performance is not the best possible because the bike is heavy. For the same reason, this bike is not good for beginners, is not good for a first bike. But for whom is this bike good? It's for the one who got no space for a second bike and a third bike, for the one who's got only space for one bike in his house. With this bike can move easily inside the city and economical, and also do Sunday escapes, travels and everything likes. So this is a bike, one bike for everything, and it's good for the people who want one bike for everything. Georgia, please. I forget to mention that it's a beautiful bike, very beautiful. It's a beautiful bike, 1000%. Georgia, the mosquitoes are going with you.
Two mosquitoes, ha!
2 in 1 row, eh?
Yes.
Okay, tell us.
Coming.
What do you believe?
Well, I believe that first of all it looks very good. I like this blue pearl, very nice. I like it. What?
Protect you from the mosquitoes.
Good job, good job. And except from that, it's also that's what you said. It's very economical for someone who wants one bike and to do everything. Very economical, very nice. Yes, very safe and
Beautiful.
yes, the beautiful. I told you the beautiful. Safe, beautiful.
Προχθές καβάλισα ένα όμορφο μηχανάκι και βγήκα μία βόλτα και πήγα σε ένα παγκάκι. Εκεί που καθόμουνα γεμάτος όλο χάρη, τότε μου το πάρει. Επέρασαν μπροστά μου 3 μικρά σκυλάκια, αμέσως εσύ, 3 μικρά σκυλάκια. Τα κοίταξα, τους μίλησα, γιατί ήτανε χαδιάρικα, ξέρεις
γατάκια.
Τώρα. Τα σκυλάκια ήτανε χαδιάρικα.
Σαν γατάκια.
Είμαι κοινόφιλος εγώ.
Ναι.
Δεν το καταλαβαίνω, δηλαδή δεν υπάρχει κάτι για την ποίηση, για τον ποιητή. Θα τα σταματήσω τα ποίηματα. Γράψτε μου στα σχόλια να σταματήσω τα ποίηματα γιατί υπάρχει αυτός ο ρατσισμός εναντίον του ποιητικού κόσμου, εναντίον των ποιητών. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Georgia and Ioannis for KOKKINA FEGARIA Motorcycle Rock Show. Thanks for watching.
Thank you. Μην πεις άλλο ποίημα, εντάξει.
Με παρασύρουν 10 μπλε στρουμφάκια, με οδηγάνε στους δρόμους της χαράς.